Hey everybody, welcome to a very short episode of Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In this, like I said, very short episode, we have this Ryobi table saw, and the blade is stuck in this position at this bevel. This is the bevel lock, and you can see the lever is not doing anything anymore. So, how are we going to undo that? Well, if you look back here, this pulls up, it's spring loaded, and you see there is a small little nut back there. So we're going to take this very tiny crescent wrench and we're going to stick this on that little tiny nut. It's hard to do one-handed. And we're going to turn it until, there we go, we can get this to move. All right, back in its regular position. The blade's where it's supposed to be. And now we'll have to do a little more digging as to why this thing is not catching that nut anymore, but we're gonna take our little wrench and tighten it back down when I have two hands so that we know the blade's locked in place. You don't wanna mess around when you're dealing with a saw or an electrical tool or an electric table saw. Like I said, very short video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, which y'all have been doing outstanding job of. And I'll see you again when something else breaks. God bless.